Unboxing Fiido C11. Unboxing and parts check. Take out all components from the box. Check if all accessories are included and in good condition. Handlebars installation. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the stem cap screws. Place the handlebars onto the stem position. Pre-tighten the stem cap screws. Adjust the handlebar direction according to personal preference. Securely tighten the screws. The stem angle is preset to 0 degrees by default. After installing the handlebars, insert the instrument interface into the instrument port according to the arrow markings. Front wheel installation. Remove the plastic pad from the front brake caliper. Remove the collision protection pads and fork protector from the front wheel. Lift the front wheel and align the disc with the brake caliper. Align the hub's left and right sides with the front fork openings and insert the front wheel. Remove the nuts and springs from the front wheel quick release. Insert the front wheel quick release axle through the hub, then tighten the nuts and lock the quick release. Fender and front light installation. Pass the fender through the rear of the front fork. Use screws to install the front light in the direction shown in the video, and tighten it onto the mudguard and front light. Adjust the direction of the front light and pass the light wire through the middle gap of the front fork. Align the arrow markings on the light interface with those on the front light port and install the light interface. Take out the fender support and screws, pre-lock the support onto the front fork, and secure it to the fender. Adjust the support angle to maintain a certain distance between the fender and the tire. Use self-tapping screws to fix the fender support and tighten it. Install the rear fender support by inserting it into the rear fender. Adjust the support angle and secure it in place using self-tapping screws. Saddle and pedals installation. Take out the pedals and check the L markings. L indicates the left pedal. Install the L pedal on the left crank by rotating it forward towards the front wheel. Take out the pedals and check the R markings. R indicates the right pedal. Install the R pedal on the right crank by rotating it forward towards the front wheel. Open the seat post quick release and adjust the seat to a comfortable height. First time use. Turn on the battery switch to activate the battery power. Long press the power on/off button on the display for about 3 seconds to turn on the display power. Short press the M button on the display to switch to the parameter display interface. Quickly double-click the M button on the display to turn on/off the front and rear lights. Activate boost mode by pressing the M button 3 times. A push icon will show on the screen. To exit boost, simply press the brake. Short press the gear switch button on the display to adjust the assist gear level. Gear 0 means no electric output, but the horn and lights can still be used normally. Quickly double-click the gear switch button on the display to switch the speed unit between km/mph. Gear shifting. You can push the shift lever on the right handlebar. Pushing the larger lever outward shifts to a lower gear, while pushing the smaller lever outward shifts to a higher gear. How to charge. Open the dust cover of the charging port on the side of the battery. Connect the charger to the power source. A red light indicates charging, while a green light indicates a full charge. If the e-bike will be in use for a long period, turn off the battery power to avoid damage from prolonged standby. How to remove/install the battery. To remove the battery, insert the battery key and turn it clockwise. The battery will pop up automatically. Then you can remove the battery. To install the battery, place the bottom of the battery into the battery slot. Remove the battery key.